Hello everyone, come to the next class, that is the solution of differential equations of first order and first degree, that is the linear differential equation. What is the definition? Let's see. The differential equation of first order and first degree is an equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy or m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y. That means the differential equation of first order and first degree have some standard form, that is the form of dy by dx equal to f of xy, otherwise m dx plus n dy equal to 0. It can be written in the form of dy by dx equal to f of xy or m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So that is the standard form of first order and first degree differential equation. Otherwise this is the linear differential equation standard form. It can be written in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, otherwise dy by dx equal to f of xy, where f of xy is the function of x and y. Okay, so that is the differential equation of the first order and first degree. Okay, next come to the variable separable. What is the variable separable here? Variable separable, this is one of the method to solve linear differential equation or differential equation of the first order and first degree. Okay, what is the variable separable? Here, if in an equation it is possible to get all the functions of x and dx to one side and all the functions of y and dy to other side, so that is said to be a variable separable. Okay, that means if you take here, we have solving the first order and first degree, that's why I am using one dependent variable, that is x and y. That's why I am taking here one, separate the dependent variable one side and independent variable another side. Okay, that is the variable separable method. Next, come to the rules to solve the linear differential equation or differential equation of first order and first degree. Let's see. Consider the equation dy by dx equal to xy, where x is a function of x, y is the function of y. First step, given differential equation in the form of dy by dx equal to xy. Okay, we have to, what is the method? Separate the variable, x is one side, y is the another side. That's why I am taking dy is as it is. The y variable function can be taken in LHS, that is dy by y, and x variable function can be taken in RHS, that is x into dx. So we separate the variables in LHS and RHS side. Okay, next, what is the third step? Integrating both sides. Put a integration on both sides with a constant term c. We have to take any one of the constant. It take capital A, small a, any one of the constant term. Okay, so this is the required solution. First step, consider equation. Next step, separate the variables. Next, third step, integration. Integrate the both sides. Then we get the solution of the differential equation of the first order and first degree. Okay, we have some notes. So here, first note is what? Never forget to add an arbitrary constant on one side only. That means we have to put the constant term in only one side, not both side. Okay, a solution without this constant is wrong, for it is not a general solution. That means if any time or any other way, if you integrate the one of the equation, you must and should, you have to add one of the arbitrary constant of the solution for the solution. That is the main concept for the any differential equation, not only a separable method. In any equation you have to integrating, must and should have to put arbitrary constant for a solution. Next note, the nature of the arbitrary constant depend upon the nature of the problem, that is depend on the example. That means if you take one example, you have to take in capital A or C, 2k, we have to using any variable must be a constant. Okay, next, third one, a constant is after all a constant in whatever form it may be taken. That means constant take any form. It may be take arbitrary constant c or c by 2 or 3c or c cube. You have to take any form. So that is the third note. Next, come to the fourth note. the solution of a differential equation must be put in the form of simple as possible. You have to, the solution of the differential is same. Know that common. Next come to the note 5. You have to some standard formulas you have to using here. Remember, you know that previous first one log x plus log y equal to log xy, and second one log x minus log y equal to log x by y, and n log x equal to log x raised to n, and tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Then tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x raised tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. So these are the some standard formula, trigonometric formulas. Okay, so this is the solution of the differential equation of the first order and first degree. Next come to the some examples. Let's see. See here, solve dy by dx equal to 1 plus y divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, see here, x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. This is the in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of xy form. Okay, so this is the differential equation first order and first degree form, standard form. Okay, then how to find the solution? First you have the using the variable separable method, you have to separate the variable x in one side, y is the another side. For that, here dy by dx equal to 1 plus y divided by square root of 1 minus x square. This square root of 1 minus x square put in the as it is in RHS. Then 1 plus y can be taken in LHS and dx can be taken in RHS into crossing the variables, that is 1 divided by 1 plus y into dy in LHS, dx divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Then y is LHS side, x is the RHS. We have to separate the both the variables. Then third step is what? Integrate the above equations. We have to integrate 1 divided by 1 plus y into dy equal to integration 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. What is the integration of 1 divided by 1 plus y? That is the log 1 plus y. And what is the integration of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square? That is the sine inverse of x plus on some constant. We have to take in some c. So this is the solution of the given linear differential equation. That is the other way. We have to, this sine inverse of x can be taken in LHS, we get a minus log 1 plus y minus sine inverse of x equal to c. So this is the solution of the differential equation of first order and first degree using the separable method. Okay, take one more example. Solve x square minus y x square dy plus y square plus xy square into dx equal to 0. Here, what is a common first term? X square is a common. In second term, y square is a common. That's why I am taking dividing the equation by x square, y square. How to get dividing? I will give some hint. See here, what is the x highest power? 2. And y is the highest power is 2. That's why I am dividing x square, y square. Okay. But if it is they given x cube, then you have to use x cube. Okay, here they given x square, that's why I am dividing equation by x square, y square for each term. If you take first term, x square get cancelled, you get a 1 by y square. For second term, minus y x square divided by x square, y square, what you get? 1 divided by y into dy plus for second term, y square get cancelled, you get a 1 by x square plus x y square divided by x square, y square get cancelled, you get a 1 by x into dx. Okay, here the equations we can be in the form of the variable are separable. Here y is one side and x is the other side. And integrate above equation, what you get? Integration of 1 divided by y square into dy minus integration 1 by y dy plus integration 1 by x square dx plus integration 1 by x into dx equal to 0. Okay, y square can be rewritten, 1 by y square can be rewritten y raised to minus 2 into dy minus 1 divided by 1 by y dy as it is. Here x square 1 divided by x square can be rewritten integration x raised to minus 2 into dx plus integration 1 by x dx is as it is. Integrate y raised to minus 2 is what? Minus 1 by y, that is the integration x is 2 by what is the integration of x raised to n? X raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Using that formula, here y raised to minus 2 is y raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is the minus 1 by y. Minus 1 by y is log y plus x raised to minus 2 is once again minus 1 by x. 1 by x integration is log x, some constant c. Okay. Next, take positive term first, log x minus log y minus 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Otherwise, we will take log x minus log y is a log x by y minus 1 by x minus 1 by equal to c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation using separable variable. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me in group. Thank you.